would show you how I make my acai bowls. I haven't had one in forever and I was craving one so bad. And plus I need to get back on healthy eating or having healthy eating habits again because I've kind of fallen off the wagon a little bit. So what I start off with is a packet of, I cut it upside down, but a packet of acai. This is frozen and then this one is pure and unsweetened. And so I just kind of get it out of the freezer and then I just put it under water a little bit and let it defrost, and then so it's a little defrosted, and then I just put it in my little blender that I have. And then I'm going to add some orange juice to mine to help it blend better. And I don't really know how much orange juice I do, I just kind of do however much I think looks right. So I did like that much right now, and I might add some more later. And of course I'm going to add some frozen strawberries. And I just get a big bag of frozen strawberries so it lasts me forever. So I'm going to add some of that. And I'm going to try to blend this first before I add more frozen strawberries, just because it is kind of full already. Sorry for the loud noise. But now I'm just going to add some more strawberries just because I think I did 3, so I'll add maybe about 5 frozen strawberries just because I like it to be sweet. And then I'm going to add half a banana. You can do a frozen banana, but a non-frozen banana works too. So I'm just going to add that. Blend it again. I do blend mine for quite a while just so it gets like a nice texture and consistency. So, I have a spoon right here. So then I'm just going to take this out. So now it kind of looks like this. I'm just going to pour it in my bowl. So now I have my acai. So all that's in it was the pure unsweetened acai packet and the orange juice and the frozen strawberries and half of a banana. You can do a whole banana too if you want. I do whole bananas sometimes too, but today I just did half a banana. So I got this granola from United, and it's organic, and it's granola with hemp in it. So we'll see how it tastes. This is my first time trying it. So I prefer my smoothie bowls to have not acai on it, of course acai, but granola, just because it'll fill you more. So then I just add some granola. And then I love having bananas on top of my acai bowl. So I'm just going to cut those. And I'm going to use those bananas after, but first. And then I like to put fresh strawberries on it. I'm just going to cover up one just to make it look pretty for now, but usually I'll cut them all up into little pieces and then just throw it in there. And sometimes I'll put like mangoes or whatever kind of fruit I have, I'll put on it. And then so today I have kiwis, so I said that really weirdly, kiwis. Add another strawberry to it. This one I'm going to cut into pieces just to... So that's what it looks like so far. So I have the acai smoothie bowl, and then the granola with strawberries, kiwis, and bananas. And then I'm just gonna add, I'm gonna dry my hands a little bit more because if you touch chia seeds with your fingers, they like stick like crazy. So I'm gonna add some chia seeds. And then some people like to add honey. I think I'm going to add some agave nectar to it. Use this raw blue agave nectar to it. I like honey, but I've kind of gotten tired of it, so... And then there I have my smoothie bowl. It's so easy to make. Some people think it's really hard to make, but it's not. So yeah, if you have any questions about it, you can message me. Feel free to ask me anything. So yeah, it's really easy to make, and then that's how it looks. So now I'm going to stop this video because I have to head to work. So it was nice showing y'all how to do this. I hope you liked it.